Hey guys, I'm Larry Casilla from Ammo NYC here with Capital One Auto Navigator to talk about the step-by-step process for properly cleaning and maintaining the leather in your car. When it comes to cleaning anything in your car, using the least aggressive method first is always the best. Leather is no exception. So this particular one is very, very bad, but let me go through the steps and the different methods for cleaning leather based on how dirty it is. So the first thing you normally do is just take an interior cleaner, spray the towel first, and then gently go in and just wipe it. This is more of a maintenance type routine. If you do this once a week or once a month, you won't have to use more aggressive methods, but this one is very, very bad. So we're gonna go to the next step. The next most aggressive is an interior brush. You can spray the brush itself or the material lightly. And the idea here is to create a lather. So as you're scrubbing, you can see there's a white lather that's now lifted all of that junk that's in the leather seat. Plus, there's lots of little creases and crevices in here. Sometimes you can pull your hand back like this and really get in there and gently scrub it, and it's fairly non-aggressive to the seat. So you can do this often without causing any damage to the leather. Then before it dries, you go in and you scoop it up with a clean microfiber towel, and it looks great. Now, on really, really bad leather, you can become more aggressive with it, but at the same time, there's a downside to that. The more aggressive you get on leather, you have a tendency to remove the dye. Now, you can do this often, but there is a point of no return. And this particular one is so bad that it does warrant using a scrub pad. Now, the scrub pad, you can hear, much more aggressive. It will remove lots and lots of junk, which this one requires, but you can't do this often because if you stay in one area and put too much downward pressure, especially on older vehicles, you have a tendency to remove the dye. And so if you remove the dye, there's just no coming back from it. You have to re-dye the seat, and it's quite a lengthy and expensive process to do that. So only use that method if absolutely necessary. And in this particular case, it's actually necessary. So you can see the before and after, a huge difference. So just a quick recap: to maintain your vehicle, you're going to use microfiber towel and the cleaner and quickly wipe. If you have dirty seats, but they're not horrible, you can use a scrub brush, create some lather, and then scoop up the dirt. And then in situations where it's really, really bad like this one here, you can use a scrub pad, then go in, same thing, scoop it up, and it'll look fantastic when you're done.